Hi everyone, so this is going to be our daily agenda for Wednesday, February 24th. Today is odds, just as a reminder. Additional reminder, your 8th grade elective Google form is due today, Wednesday. So, again, make sure to get that in to the office. These are your electives for next year. We are continuing on with the outsiders. We are going to be doing your free write, your chapter reading, and then your response pages. I have your tests graded for the chapters 1 through 6 quiz from yesterday, and those should be uploaded to Aries in a few days once we get those reviewed. Alright, so our free write for the day is based on chapter 7, which we just read. Pony tells Randy, "You would have saved those kids if you had been there. Do you think you would ever risk your own safety to help another person? Explain what type of situations you could picture yourself doing this or not doing this. Do you think it's our obligation to help someone out if we can? Explain." I left some convenient little sentence frame for you down below. I think I would / wouldn't risk my safety because, or it is or isn't our obligation to help others because. You guys will have 5 minutes on this. Then you guys are going to be pulling up your PDFs and reading chapter 8, which is page 101. If you are absent or not here for our class session, the audio file is there for you guys. Follow along with your PDF as always. And then we will be working on your response pages. So your response pages are, you're responsible for chapters 1 through 8 now. Those are all up for you guys to be able to look through and really just get through. Make sure to stay on track. And then our exit ticket discussion. So I had these 2 cool questions for us to kind of think about now that we've really gotten this far in the novel. On page 104, Ponyboy says, "We could get along without anyone but Johnny," referring to the group's close connection with Johnny. Share an experience or a person that you feel that you can relate to with Ponyboy. So who's that person that you can get along without anybody except that person? Our second question is, in The Outsiders, we find that Derry has many soch qualities or characteristics, such as him being intelligent, athletic, and attractive. What conclusion or inference can you draw about the fact that Derry is not a soch? So, some sentence frames for you guys. The person I can relate to Pony is, and we can infer that Pony said this because, and so. Those are your questions for the day. If you guys have any questions or just need more info, as always, reach out to me, Miss Arroyos, Miss Reyes, and we are here for you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.